Exploring Small-Scale Farming, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a term that's quite relevant in today's eco-conscious world: small-scale farming. Whether you're a language learner, a budding farmer, or simply curious, this video will unpack what small-scale farming is all about. So, let's get started and shed some light on this important topic. Small-scale farming refers to agricultural operations that are limited in size and scope. Unlike large, industrial farms, small-scale farms are often family-owned and operated, focusing on sustainability and local food production. These farms typically use less machinery and more traditional farming methods, aiming to produce a variety of crops and sometimes livestock on a smaller, more manageable scale. Why does small-scale farming matter? Well, it plays a crucial role in food security, local economies, and sustainable agriculture. By producing food locally, these farms reduce the need for long-distance transportation, which can lower carbon emissions and help protect the environment. Additionally, small-scale farming supports biodiversity by maintaining a variety of plants and animals, in contrast to monoculture practices common in large-scale agriculture. Despite their benefits, small-scale farmers face numerous challenges. One major issue is access to markets. Without the infrastructure or resources to compete with large agricultural businesses, selling their products can be difficult. Furthermore, they often struggle with obtaining the necessary resources for production, such as loans, land, and water. Environmental challenges, such as climate change and soil degradation, also pose significant threats to their livelihoods. How can we support small-scale farming? There are several ways, including buying locally produced food, advocating for policies that support small farmers, and participating in community-supported agriculture (CSA) programs. Education and awareness are also key. By understanding the value of small-scale farming, consumers can make informed choices that contribute to a more sustainable and equitable food system. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of what small-scale farming is and why it's so crucial for our world. Supporting small-scale farms not only contributes to environmental sustainability but also promotes a healthier, more equitable food system. Remember, every small choice can lead to big changes. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you next time.